Most people get this wrong. They assume all retirement planning tools are the same. But the surprising truth about Money Guide Pro is that it's one of the most comprehensive and user-friendly planners for advisors and clients alike. Money Guide Pro allows financial advisors to create personalized retirement plans that consider income, expenses, investments, Social Security, pensions, and risk tolerance. You can model multiple scenarios, like early retirement or changing spending habits, to see how it affects your future financial security. One of the standout features is the intuitive interface. Advisors can present complex data visually with charts and graphs that clients can understand easily. Clients can also interact with the plan, adjusting variables to see the impact on their retirement timeline. The software supports Monte Carlo simulations, which model different market conditions to predict the probability of reaching your retirement goals. This adds an extra layer of confidence to planning and helps clients make informed decisions. Integration is another plus. Money Guide Pro connects with various financial accounts, allowing advisors to pull in investment data, savings, and retirement accounts, ensuring that plans are accurate and up to date. On the downside, Money Guide Pro is primarily designed for financial advisors. Individual users without an advisor may find the platform expensive and complex. Also, while the planning tools are robust, it requires some learning to fully utilize all features. In conclusion, Money Guide Pro is ideal for those seeking detailed, personalized retirement planning with professional guidance. Its interactive tools, scenario modeling, and visual reports make it a powerful solution for anyone serious about planning for a secure retirement. Subscribe for more honest reviews of financial planning tools to help you make smarter money decisions.